Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Hunter ceiling fan remotes is probably one of the most essential accessories for any modern home, offering unparalleled convenience and control over your comfort. Imagine effortlessly adjusting your fan speed, dimming the lights, or even setting timers without ever leaving your cozy spot on the couch. These remotes transform your ceiling fan from a simple air circulator into a smart, responsive part of your home environment, enhancing both functionality and ambience with just a press of a button. They are designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing Hunter fan, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade to your daily living experience. Number 5. LPHUMEX Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Installing this universal ceiling fan remote kit is incredibly simple. You don't need to remove any existing parts, just a quick 5-wire connection is all it takes. Please ensure your ceiling fan uses an AC motor before purchasing. This kit is designed exclusively for traditional AC motor fans and is not compatible with DC motor fans. Measure your fan's canopy space before buying. The receiver measures 4.53 by 1.97 by 1.06 inches, so it may not fit slimline or hugger mount models. Control your fan and lights with ease. This kit offers separate buttons for 3 fan speeds and light control, plus a convenient wall cradle for the remote. Before installation, make sure your fan's original pull chain is set to maximum speed and the light is turned on. This ensures the remote receives power correctly. Transform your standard ceiling fan into a remotely operated one. Enjoy convenient control over your fan's speed and lighting from anywhere in the room. What we like. This kit is designed for those with traditional AC motor ceiling fans. If you're looking to easily upgrade a standard fan without complex wiring or removing fan blades, this is a great choice. It offers convenient control over fan speed and light, making it ideal for anyone wanting a simple, effective remote solution. What people say. The remote works perfectly and is easy to install. It has a sleek design and is very user-friendly. The fan speed control is precise and the light dimmer works great. Number 4. Fan 53T Ceiling Fan Remote Control Replacement. This is a direct replacement for your lost or broken Harbor Breeze remote. It's designed to work specifically with models like the Fan 53T, ensuring a perfect fit and function. Easily control your fan speed with 3 settings, high, medium, and low. You can also turn the fan off and adjust the light's brightness with the dedicated dimmer function. Installation is a breeze. Simply match the dip switches inside the battery compartment to your old remote settings, and you're ready to go. No complex wiring needed. Don't replace your entire fan if the remote is faulty. This replacement restores full functionality, extending your fan's lifespan and saving you money. Please note, this is not a universal remote and requires a specific receiver, 303.9 MHz. It does not include batteries or a receiver and lacks a reverse button. Ensure your original remote uses the same frequency. Your package includes the remote control, a convenient wall mount holder, a user manual, and all necessary screws for easy mounting. It requires a 9V battery, which is not included. What we like. If your original remote for specific Harbor Breeze or Allen Plus Roth models is lost or broken, this is your perfect match. It's not a universal kit, but a direct replacement that uses simple dip switch settings for easy pairing. Choose this if you need to restore functionality to your existing fan without replacing the whole unit. What people say. The remote is easy to install and program. It works perfectly with my Hunter ceiling fan. The fan speed and light controls are very responsive. Number 3. Hunter Bennett 52-inch brushed nickel ceiling fan. Introducing the Hunter Bennett, a 52-inch ceiling fan designed for your indoor comfort. It features bright, energy-efficient LED lights for reliable illumination. This 52-inch fan is perfect for maintaining airflow in large rooms like bedrooms, living areas, and kitchens. It helps create a comfortable environment year-round. With its transitional design in brushed nickel, it adds a statement to any room. It complements various decor styles, from modern to formal. Easily adjust fan speed and lighting from anywhere with the included handheld remote. Enjoy convenient, wireless operation for everyday ease. Equipped with a 3-speed Whisperwind motor, it delivers powerful airflow with ultra-quiet operation. The reversible settings ensure comfort in every season. What we like. For those building or renovating a room and wanting a complete, stylish solution, this fan is ideal. It comes with integrated LED lights and a quiet motor, plus the convenience of a remote control right out of the box. If you appreciate a blend of modern design, quiet operation, and ease of use, this fan offers a cohesive package. What people say. The remote is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. It controls the fan speed and light dimmer functions flawlessly. Easy to install and set up, took less than 5 minutes. Number 2. Hunter Universal Fan Light Remote Control Replacement. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a remote, receiver, wire caps, and a wall mount. It offers a convenient way to manage your fan, keeping the remote easily accessible. Enjoy reliable performance as it's designed for universal compatibility. It works seamlessly with Hunter, Honeywell, Harbor Breeze, and many other brands. Installation is straightforward. Once the receiver is in place, the handheld control is prepared and ready to use within a 75-foot range. Effortlessly control your comfort. You can easily adjust between 3 fan speeds and dim-compatible lights to create the perfect ambience. For over 140 years, Hunter has been a leader in airflow and design. We are dedicated to making every space a better place with our quality products. What we like. If you have a ceiling fan from a major brand like Hunter, Honeywell, or Harbor Breeze and need a reliable remote upgrade, this kit is for you. It's designed for broad compatibility and simple installation with a receiver that pairs easily. Consider this if you want a trusted brand's quality and a long-range remote solution. What people say. The remote has a sleek, modern design that complements the fan's aesthetics. It offers multiple speed settings and a reverse function, providing excellent control over airflow. The installation was straightforward, and the remote paired easily with the fan. Number 1. Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Upgrade your existing ceiling fan with our Universal Remote Control Kit. It's designed to be compatible with most ceiling fans, offering a convenient solution for controlling your fan and light. Installing this kit is a breeze, even if you're not a DIY expert. Simply follow the included manual for a quick setup that saves you the cost of replacing your entire fan. Take full command of your comfort. You can easily adjust between 3 fan speeds and control your light's brightness, all from the palm of your hand. Our receiver boasts a higher power rating than standard models, ensuring it can handle more demanding lighting setups and providing a longer lifespan for your fan and lights. This kit is designed to replace many existing remotes and works with approximately 95% of regular ceiling fans, making it a versatile choice for most homes. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. Our team is committed to ensuring you have a wonderful shopping experience and a perfectly functioning fan. What we like. This kit is perfect for users who want maximum compatibility and power for their ceiling fan remote upgrade. It boasts a higher carrying power capacity than most market options, allowing for more light bulbs and extending service life. If you're looking for a robust, versatile replacement that works with a vast majority of regular ceiling fans, this is a strong contender. What people say. The remote is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. Easy to install and set up, it restored full functionality to my ceiling fan. The fan speed and light controls are responsive and intuitive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.